That's eating raw things.
Okay, let's go explore the tower. Never mind, screw the rift.
Yes, the rift can go
I'm stealing a boat!
itself. Oh, how? Whoa, 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 whoa. Do you have your own boat?
Yeah, I do. Hang on, wait, no, but boats can fit two people, so I'm putting my boat back inside the thing.
Right, I forgot.
Okay, we both get into this boat. Come on. Well, let's go.
Well, let's go.
Wait, note down the coordinates for this place. Wait, stop.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
3/62/0.
Okay, let's see the tower.
Goodbye.
What do you think you're doing?
But I don't have water breathing like you and your fancy helmet.
Right, maybe give yourself one.
Oh, so we should have made torches so that we could breathe underwater.
Oh my god. Oh, okay, those water breathing doesn't last forever. Okay, I'm drowning. Okay, I think we need those water breathing potions.
Dude! Wait, why are you underwater? Press control. You swim faster. Press control. Just don't hold it. Press control. Sorry, I mean your sprint button.
Thank you. I see.
You go. Shit. Oh, I'm drowning. Okay.
Okay, those drowns are insane.
With this newfound knowledge.
Whoa!
Swimming faster than you, fool. Are you drowning?
No. Is that? Oh, there's a chest here. Whoa.
Okay, press control and then start swimming up.
Sure, I'm getting pulled down.
Yeah, by the current. You're gonna die. Oh, right, you have the fancy helmet.
What's in that chest?
A
You
goat
get
nugget, four pieces of coal, an emerald, and a fishing rod with the curse of vanishing.
Wait, do you get it all?
Yes.
Alright, you want this golden apple?
No, I am healing up using steak. Okay, wait. I'm gonna check the other houses.
There's houses?
Yeah, look around.
Oh. I didn't realize those.
Yeah, there's more chests. The seagrass thing, it slows you down when you're in it. Okay, I got everything in this chest. Back up. Up.
I think I
Okay.
should give you the helmet.
Oh yeah, cause I'm the one going into the water at the time, huh?
Yeah. You want it?
Get in.
You want the helmet?
Right, hang on.
Wow, this is fun!
Goodbye. See you. You didn't float backwards more than you floated backwards less than I thought you would.
You want the helmet?
Okay. Hang on. There's an easy way for us to get breath back.
Water breathing potion.
No, not water breathing. How did your turtle shell take durability damage from getting hit?
Yes, I did get hit a couple of times.
Nice. I also got some wheat. Okay, here's my plan.
What?
Here, take these two. Use torches for air.
Oh, you craft torches.
No, wait, no. Wait, hang on. Torches don't. Torches don't last for long. We should use ladders.
Interesting.
Cause ladders don't disappear. Cause remember, our breath doesn't go back to full instantly now, which means we need to use something that lasts longer, underwater. So we should use a ladder.
Should we go explore the shipwreck or something?
It's a shipwreck. What?
Yeah, there's a shipwreck right there. I can see
why-
the shape of.
Why was I not informed?
I'm not sure.
Okay, remember you're gonna have to recollect the ladders after you use them. Here, take them. Wait, whoops! I give you one too many. Here. Or just keep the torches with you just in case.
yeah, just saying, I did not put any torches on this ship.
Wait. Oh. Hmm.
Yeah, that's one thing I forgot when I made this ship. Never
Yo,
mind.
guess what? I just saved us. Boom.
Okay,
Torches. I'm a genius.
there we go.
Get me lost, it's alright, da da da. Stars, wait, no. Wait, what about on top of the mast?
Nah, it's
I'll,
fine.
I'll do it, I'll do it. Hey, move. Got it. Okay, we're safe.
From
Right, shipwreck you say. No. Bye, no! Okay, you drive it. I don't know where the shipwreck is.
Alright.
I'm the scavenger, right? I'll go down there and do shit.
You see that thing down there?
I actually don't.
Really? You don't
Yeah.
see a shape down there
No.
of an outside down shape.
No. Where?
There here. No, it's half up.
Oh. Oh, I see it. Okay.
Ouch! Holy shit!
Eh? Wait. No. Ladders don't help you breathe underwater anymore.
Come up! I got a Trident problem.
Where? Swim at it.
It drops anything? Nah, nothing. How's the shipwreck doing?
Here's the problem. Ladders don't provide air pockets anymore.
And torches don't provide enough.
Exactly. Which is okay. So how do we do this?
Sponge.
What?
I forgot to put sponge.
No, that's a waste of resources.
I should have put sponge in the chest.
So, unexpected. Wait, hang on. Oh my god, this is a shitty idea. Oh, we have cobblestone, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to make a stone pickaxe and try to make a small pocket down there for us to stay in. Ignore the zombie. Let's go.
Killed it. Alright, let's go.
But we missed some houses back there if you want to go get them first.
Yeah, that's also interesting.
But those are useless now.
Okay,
right, so
this
how-
underwater thing is harder than I thought. They change a lot of things. Okay, more zombies.
Here, take the wooden pickaxe. Let's stay.
I have a stone one.
Right, you have a stone pickaxe, when? What?
Oh, I made it just now, I forgot to tell you. Ouch.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
But if you're sideways, you sink down there faster.
Where are these coming from?
Coming from the rift, obviously.
How do we stop?
Alright. Trident. There's a Trident guy coming. Back on the ship. Stars. Wait, can we sleep? Sleep, 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 sleep.
Oh no! We took
Other
the wrong
bed.
way.
I'm not getting shot at while I'm sleeping. You are.
None of us are getting shot at. Yet.
You wanna go back to the other place?
The shipwreck?
No.
Alright, sure.
Houses. We missed some houses. Oh, but magma blocks now cause rifts underwater that pulls you down.
The boat doesn't get put down though.
The boat dies.
Over time.
The boat gets murdered. Wait, hang on. I have the turtle helmet now. What am I doing?
Get some air.
Okay, there's definitely a village that. Swim. Oof. Okay, the water breathing only lasts for 10 seconds.
There's nothing in this chest. What?
Yeah, I already looted those two of the chests down there. I'm checking the third house. It's empty. The third house is empty. We'll get in the boat then.
Okay.
Go. Zombie's coming. He's right behind me. Turn around. Yeah.
Are we gonna relocate base or no?
Wait, look, dolphin.
Dolphin?
Dolphin.
Where?
Look there. Right there. In front of you. To your right.
Oh, I see. Wait, you wanna kill it? It's so nice. We are not gonna kill it, right?
I kill everything that lives and breathes.
Oh, come on! Okay, I'm dead.
I killed it.
What did you drop?
Fish.
Little non.
You can ignore the zombies, by the way.
They're slow. And they can climb on our ship. The only real update is the boat, right? The oceans, I meant.
Yeah, it's the ocean update.
Right.
All right, you can go.
Curse of vanishing.
Yeah, basically once it runs up durability, it's.
Wait, there's a mending rod. Oh yeah. Fishing!
I'm already cooking cod.
Maybe I can get some diamonds or something.
I'm just washing the fishes. Oof, not. Well, I'm guessing there's the normal fishing now, and then there's the fishes that you can get from killing them
Yeah.
down there.
None of the fishes coming to my rod. Okay, one of them is coming. Oh, I got a raw salmon.
Wait, I'm about.